boys and girls? Welcome to Going Guitar. Justin Bieber's Witchya, alright? It's a cool song here coming up from him again from the album Swag. Let's go into this with one chord progression, and we can see no need for any capo here. Let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with G. So G goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. From that chord, you're going to go into the G, F chord. Basically, what you do here is to play this. Keep the bottom down there and just recuperate your index and mid finger to this position. So basically, the only difference here goes from 3rd E to 2nd E instead. Everything else down there is the same. So that gives us 2nd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So the bass here is important. Next chord will be the E minor. You can keep the bottom there through this A minor as well, so you don't have to change too much. So that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have the C chord, and that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E. And finally we have the D. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Okay, so that will be the chord progression: G, G, F, E minor, C, and D. Now let's go through how to play them, and we're gonna play with downs and claps. Okay, so we're gonna start with G, down, down, clap, down. Okay. And this is one strumming around in this song, but we have some tweaks on this one as well, but this is the main strumming here. So down, down, clap, down. And that's what you're going to play only for G. Okay? Then you go over to the G, F chord and play down, down, clap. And that's it. Because the next chord, E minor, will steal the last down from that strumming around of the G, F, okay? So the G, F plays just down, down, clap. And then you play on E minor the last down from this strumming around. And then you play another strumming around of that one on E minor. And another one as well. Okay? So hope that makes sense. The G, F goes down, down, clap, and the E minor steals the last down and play another 2 full string rounds. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Okay, that is the first half of the song, and then we're gonna go into C and play down, down, clap, down, and down, down, clap. Okay, and then you go into the D chord, the final chord, and that one steals the last down and the C strumming around, and you're gonna play another 2 rounds then from the standard down, down, clap, down. And then that's it. So slowly it goes like this. You just roll this from the beginning till the very end. That's Witchya from Justin Bieber. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.